6 trucks, 2 drop tops, 3 coupes, 2 photos, 3 old schools, and a whole lot of others that I can't think of right